Sade, I don't need any excuse to eat Mexican food, but with it being Cinco de Mayo weekend, you know we're going hard in the kitchen. Here are my top 5 recipes you should make for your Cinco de Mayo celebration. Watch this. Here's a look at the ingredients you need for the Nacho Dip. In a large pot over medium heat, add your ground beef. Now it's time to add that magic. The big chili style, the only seasoning you need for this dish. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Mix everything till it's well combined and then set your beef to one side of your pot. Next, let's add the cheese. I'm using cheddar, use a little onion. Next, add some Velveeta, 1 can of Rotel, some jalapenos, and some cilantro. Pour in half a cup of milk, cover on low heat for 10 minutes. Once everything is melted, stir everything together and then cover and let it simmer on low for another 10 minutes. Now grab your favorite chips, but don't open them regular. Sit them sideways. Cut the sides and down the middle. I'm using Doritos and Fritos, but feel free to use your favorite chips. Now while your queso dip is nice and hot, grab a ladle and pour that delicious queso dip all over your chips. The messier, the better. Trust me. Garnish with some fresh jalapenos and cilantro, and then tell your guests to grab a bag. Let me know which flavor you're grabbing first. Full recipe in the caption or in the link in my bio. That's good, shorty. This is all you need to make this amazing salad, shorty. First, brown your ground beef. Then add your green peppers, red onion, some jalapeno, and go ahead and mix that up. Then come with that paste chunky salsa. Yeah, add the whole jar. The bold flavors from paste salsa bring everything together. Now all you need to do is add your favorite taco seasoning, add some cheese, top with some lettuce and sour cream, and you're good to go. That's good, shorty. Oil up your corn, put it on a baking sheet, 375 for 15 minutes. For the cream mixture, grab some butter, mayonnaise, minced garlic, lime zest, cilantro, and that Uncle Dibbz straight drop rub. Mix it so it's well combined and set aside. Grab your corn out the oven, let it cool off, and then put the cream mix all over each husk of corn. Then grab your cotija cheese, Mexican cheese, and roll it all over those pieces of corn. Add some lime juice and you're good to go. Happy Cinco de Mayo, y'all. Mexican street corn, straight drop. Let's try it out. That's good, shorty. First, grab your 1 pound of skirt steak. Slice it up into nice bite-sized pieces. To go along with that steak, we're gonna add some red onion, some green bell pepper, and then of course we cannot forget that cheese, shorty. Add some olive oil to a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Throw your onion and green bell peppers in there. Then add your steak, and we cannot forget that seasoning. I'm using that Uncle Dibbz Texas steak rub. Give it a nice couple of shakes. Add some jalapeno for heat, cilantro to cool it out. Now here's the fun part. Cover that entire skillet with cheese. Cover it with another pan so that it melts. Add a little squeeze of lime, grab your tortilla, and then go ahead and give it a go, shorty. That's good, shorty. And we made that in less than 30 minutes, y'all. Just gonna add us a little bit of oil. Ground beef. Right in the cast iron, all right? I'm gonna chop up these jalapenos. Like I said, if you don't like it spicy, that's totally fine, but I like a little kick in my queso, okay? So I'm just doing a nice rough chop to these jalapenos, just like this, y'all. All right, so now that that meat is searing up, we're just gonna start chopping it up. You're gonna wanna introduce some of that seasoning, okay? This is the big chili style. This is not that spicy. It's got a little bit of a kick, but it's not feeling like you're gonna die spicy, all right? Just wanna put a little bit of that in there, just like this. And you're just gonna mix that on up. Let's continue to chop up the rest of our veggies while that ground beef cooks. I'm gonna throw in my jalapenos. Next, I'm gonna throw my onions in there. Half of a red onion. Kobe Jack. And I got my Velveeta. Just wanna cut it into nice cubes, just like this, okay? So I got my Kobe, just like this as well. So all you wanna do is put your cheeses right in that cast iron skillet. You want to get everything nestled together, all right? So all you're gonna do is open up your can of Rotel and just dump it in there, get all the juice out. Rotel, right in there, and then put that Velveeta. Then we're gonna top it off with about a cup of milk. Just like this, right in the oven, okay? 350, right in the oven, all right? And this is going for 30 minutes. And I'm gonna stick here with y'all. So right now, this is what we're looking like, right? The cheese is starting to melt. Everything's getting nice and put together. Now we're gonna whip this on up. So now what I'm gonna do is just mix this all up. All this cheese, all that meat, the onions, the jalapenos. I'll take some of my cilantro here, chop some of that up. I'm just gonna sprinkle that right on top. It just, to me, it just sets it off, all right? Just like that, y'all. Just like that. Back in the oven, 5-10 minutes at most. 5-10 minutes at most, just to bring everything back together. Get your ass over here. Somebody screenshot this. Look at this, y'all. If you came to my house, and I'm dripping too, if you came to my house, this is what you would get.